or system exception. So these are the two exceptions that we guys are handling. So the purpose of this user story is to notify business. So what exactly should be the notification for the business in case of business or system exception? So this user story is basically relevant to that information only. Okay.
Okay.
Since you can see here, I want bot to handle all the exceptional scenarios while ordering the cards of all the channels. Okay. Uh, and notify. So that bot runs smoothly and does not impact its performance. So these are the types of exceptions we are handling. Okay. So there is no such acceptance criteria, but we have a list of exceptions. Let me show you. From here you can pull, though I'll place it in the user story also. So this is this list, okay? Compassion card exception list. So you can click on three dots, then click on open and then open it app.
Okay.
Then you will be able to see what all exceptions are supposed to be there.
Okay.
Since we are still working on that, but 99% it has been updated. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the ones. So here we have types of exception and these
Mail
are the
body.
scenarios. I'm sorry.
Mail body also here.
Yeah, every information, whatever is required for that particular user story. So we have all that information over here.
Okay.
So these are the scenarios that we guys assumed may occur, and we have bifurcated these scenarios in the types of exceptions. So what scenario is going to fall for the business exception and what scenario is supposed to fall for the system exception. So we have placed all that information over there.
Okay.
And second thing, what is supposed to be the subject of the body and subject of the mail, and this is the body of the email. So basically it should be the content. So it is going to be the content of the body for this particular scenario if there is any business exception. Okay.
Okay.
And these are the recipients and these are the dashboard remarks. So we are not going to provide any remark over there because it does not require, because according to the notes, no update in dashboard, cases shall wait in the queue, because the case did not get picked up for that particular inventory. That's why we are not going to update any remark here, because inventory is not touched, right? Because here we are only IQ application login. Okay, so these are the types of scenarios, these are the types of exceptions, subject and email and the recipients. So basis for that user story, you can refer this exception list. Okay.
Okay.
And yes, these are going to be the remarks in the dashboard. Dashboard, if I talk about, so always refer for the utility dashboard. Post completion of any inventory, if there is any exception, or prior completion of any inventory, if there is an exception. So what are supposed to be remarks for the user, so that user will be understood, will be able to understand why the transaction has been failed, why inventory has been triggered for the exception. So this is the reason. Member not found in IQ with provided information. That's why card did not order. So at least user will get to know what is the reason of falling this inventory for the exception. Any questions so far?
No. Mail
Okay.
subject.
Any other else you want?
Mail subject where is?
This is the subject.
Okay.
This is the mail body and these are the recipients. Okay. But yes, these are the recipients so far. But this is this sheet we have updated basis prod environment. Okay. So these are recipients going to be for the prod environment once we are going to deploy it on the prod. But since whenever you are going to do any unit testing, please remove all these and just go with your email, my email, or any other developer email, just for the testing purpose. So that's the only thing. So rest, yeah, I'm good. Rest. If you have any question, let me know. Okay. For any scenario, if you find anything NA, it means no dashboard remarks will be there. Okay. And yes, one more information, let me provide you. So for row number 19, if there is any API failure, so this is the scenario that we are going to have same information, as you can see here, same as row 14. So refer all the information which is given in row number 14. Okay. So it's going going to be same for this. Okay. Okay. Anything else that I can help you?
uh, I will go through on the documents. If I get any uh, doubts, I will ask you.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
This is the location. You
Okay.
come into Teams,
Mm-hmm.
Optum Health 2021,
Mm.
compassion card,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
why I did not attach this sheet in the user story, because we were working on this, and maybe if there is any update, so we'll update it there only, so that you will get to know. Okay, so you can pull it from there only, from Teams.
Okay.
Okay, Sunil,
Thank you.
let's meet later on if you have any query.
First, I will go to the documents. I will ask you.
Sure,
Okay.
sure,
Thank
sure.
you. Thank
But do start working on this story. First, you need to create your task, and what all tasks are supposed to be, that you can consult any of the developer, or you can refer any of the user story,
you.
how the developers starts working, like creation, development, code, etc.
Okay.
Anything like
Sure.
that.
Sure.
Okay. All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you.
Sunil.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.